I'm Jared McCarthy, Principal of McCarthy Estate Agents. I'd like to welcome you to 109 of 11 Wigram Lane in Glebe. This home is about family, lifestyle and size. It is a very spacious home set over multiple levels. As you come into the home, there is a family room, a beautiful family room, and then as you come further in, it opens up into an open plan living dining, which is further expanded with a lovely balcony overlooking the reserve. Also, there are a choice of bedroom styles. There are 4 bedrooms here. The master has an ensuite, balcony and built-in robe. There's also a teenager's retreat, very large space, heaps of room for bedroom, study, etc., or maybe even a home office. This property is certainly blessed with entertaining areas, and there is possibly even a rumpus room. Likewise, the property's got really great facilities such as a 25-meter lap pool, barbecue area, gym facilities with male and female showers. It is truly a beautiful spot here. My name is Jared McCarthy. We would love to see you at one of the open homes. Bye.